Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Ooh. Because if he's right, every loser with a couple $1 million in a fund is going to be jumping. Let's go.
No, go the other way.
Because this is all decorated here.
Yeah.
Just a meeting, though, you know? It's just
Oh, yeah. Well, okay, do the triangle folding. Because you would assume. Because you have the one piece there.
One piece.
We're so excited.
Okay, they do. Okay. So you look for the folders. Okay? So this guy goes down like this. Right? And this guy comes in this. You see how it's angle fold? In. Angle fold. Make little things with it. Down as well. In. Up. Over. Angle fold. And then I think these go down.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, no, it goes
For mortgage backed securities, the whole housing market is about to collapse.
Jamie and Charlie, the housing market doomsday prediction was music to their ears.
I'm so happy because today I found my friends in my head.
Dave started working out of Jamie's garage and 10,000 Jamie had saved.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't tell me what to do. I'm not antisocial. I rolled low on charisma. It's cool. I'm okay. More it's cool. I speak fluent sarcasm. We got a few of them. There we go. Here we go. Ready? I have stab ability to stab. Sarcasm +5. This is fine. Guess I'll die. It's probably fine. Roll a 1. Hey, you dropped this! Your brain. Ha! That's great. I love it. I love it. I'll get over it. I just need to be dramatic first. Oh, wait, here. We don't know what this one is. This one's yes. This is fine. Don't roll a 1. And that is the Mystery Goblin, or Mystery Dice Goblin. One of our new vendors here at Everchange Video Games.
Using his dog's name? I guess so. Wait, has that asshole not been paying his mortgage? Because I've been paying my rent.
Well, yeah, he is over 90 days delinquent.